Welcome to the next video. It's a continuation on social and commercial arithmetics. The question reads, a freezer costing 4,000 kwacha is depreciating using the straight line method at 5% per year. Find its book value after 4 years. So, remember, there is appreciating and depreciating. Depreciating, it loses value. In this case, appreciating, it must gain value. So, a straight line method that we have been commanded to use, you use this formula. This is the straight line method. Amount is equal to rate over 100 to the power n. So this is the principal, the amount, in this case 4,000. Rate is the percentage, 5 out of 100, as you can see. Then n is the number of years. This is what we call a straight line method. So when they specify to say use straight line method, you must use it, because if you don't use it, you might lose marks. So we do it. We need to replace here. The amount is 4,000, the principal, 1 minus the rate is 5% out of 100. How many years? 4 years. So you have 4,000 here. 1 minus. Now try to reduce this. 5 here, 1, 5 into 10, 2, 5 into 0, 0. So we have 1 over 20 remaining. 5 into 0, 0. We have 120, 1 over 120 remaining. 1 over 20 remaining. There's power 4. You have 4,000 here. Now, what is 1 over 20? So 1 over 20, this is a fraction. 20 into 1, change it into decimal so that it can be easy. 20 into 1, that is, it can't, put a point, you add a 0. 20 into 10, it can't, you add another 0, even here you add a 0. 20 into 100, what you're going to have, that is 5. So 1 over 20 same as 0.05. 0.05. Don't forget there is power 4 here. So now you have 4,000. Now what is 1 minus 0.05? You can solve it separately. 1. Since there are two decimal places, you put 0.00 as well, so that this one can fit 0.05. You minus 0 minus 5, it can't, you get a 1 here, here to be 0 remaining. You see, you put it here to be 10. When you get a 1 from 10 to be 9, then 1 will come here as 10. So 10 minus 5, that is 5. 9 minus 0, that is 9. 0 minus 0, that is 0. So 1 minus 0.05, same as 0.95. So in the next step, you have 4,000. You need to multiply 0.95 to the power 4. 0.95 to the power 4, it means 0.95 times 0.95 times 0.95 times 0.95 4 times, right? So that is 0.95 times 0.95, right? Even here 0.95 times 0.95. How many do we have? We have 4. So let's get the answers here, then we also multiply, right? So now there are 4, right? So when multiplying decimal numbers, ignore that they are decimal points. Now let's multiply the way they are. You see? So here, if you want, you can't include 0, 0, right? Because it will mean the same. So 5 times 5, 5 carry 2. 5 times 9, 45 plus 2, that is 47. 5 times 0 is 0, right? So it won't make an impact. 9 times 5, 45. See? So 5 carry 4. 9 times 9, 81 plus 4, that is 85. Then 9 times 0, nothing will change. It will still be 0. You see? Then you do 0 times 5, yes, to be 0. 0 times 9 to be 0. To be 0. So same as these zeros were not important in this case. So let's add. You have 5 here. 7 plus 5. You have 12. 2 carry 1. 4 plus 5. 9 plus 1. 10. 0 carry 1. 8 plus 1. You have 9. 0 here you have. See that? 0. Now leave it the way it is. Even here, it will mean when you multiply 0.95 times 0.95, you still get the same, which is 0.9025, right? So now these two, we need to multiply them as well. So no need of this time around, we won't include 0 because as you can see, it doesn't make sense, right? So you have 9025 times another 9025. Let's do it. 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry 2. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 2, 12. 2 carry 1. 5 times 0, 0. Plus 1, 1. 5 times 9, 45. You go for 2 now. 2 times 5, that is 10. 0 carry 1. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 9, 18. Right? 18. You go for 0. 0 times 5 to be 0. 0 times 2, 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 9, 0. You go for 9. 9 times 5, 45. 5 carry 4. 9 times 2, 18. Plus 4, 22. 2 carry 2. 9 times 0, 0. Plus 2, 2. 9 times 9, 81. So you're going to have this, right? You're going to have this. So you need to add. So all these you can just add place values so that they can, you see. So when you add 5 plus 0, 0, 0, 5 here, 2, 6, 10, 0 carry 1. So this is 8, 10, 14. So with that one, 15, 5 carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 8. You see that? So now, remember, we ignored the decimal places here. How many decimal places do we have in total? We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we bring them back. From here, you move 8 steps backwards. So 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps, 6 steps, 7 steps, 8 steps. So you put a point. So here automatically you put a 0. So what does it mean? It means 0.95 to the power 4 is equivalent to 0.81450625. Let us write it. Let us write it down. So this one, it means 0.81450625, like this. Like that, you see that? So now this one, it means 4,000 times this. What's the answer? So we can also solve this separately. We'll ignore this decimal point deliberately. So we have 81450625 times 4,000, like this, right? So you know 0 times this, it will still give you 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 times this, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? So let's just start. We know these will be zeros, 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 right? So let's start with 4 times 5. 4 times 5, that is 20. 0 carry 2. 4 times 8 plus 2, 10. 0 carry 1. 4 times 6, that is 24, plus 1, 25. 5 carry 2. 4 times 0, 0, plus 2, 2. 4 times 5, 20. 0 carry 2. 4 times 4, 16, plus 2, that is 18. So 8 carry 1. 4 times 1, 4, plus 1, 5. 4 times 8, that is 32. You see that? That is 32. So now we have this. Now we need to, let me rewrite this properly. 32, 5, 8, 0, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now let us bring back the decimal points. How many? 1, 2, 3. Decimal places are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here we count. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the point is supposed to be there. 3258.0250000. Now since there are a lot of figures, as you can see, 0.0000, so just round off. If you want, you can leave it here as 3.58, 3258, or you can go an extra mile by rounding off correct to 2 decimal places, 1, 2, and you'll be able to add the 1 on 2 because of a 5, so it can be 0.3. So even if you leave it here, it's fine, or you go an extra mile because of ways. So we have rounded off correct to 2 decimal places. So this amount is what is supposed to be here. So these are quarters. 3258.03, 3258.03 ngwe. This will be the value of depreciation, right? You see, the original amount was 4,000, but because it was depreciating 5% per year, now for 4 years, the value has reduced from 4,000 to 3,258. This is what you're supposed to do. So, whenever they mention to use straight line method, as you can see, this question says a freezer costing 4,000 is depreciating using the straight line method at 5% per year. Find its book value after 4 years. So when they mention depreciation, you use this formula, and when they specify straight line method. So amount is equal to principal, this 4,000, 1 minus the rate, which is 5% in this case, over 100, because percentage is out of 100. So over 100 times the number of years. If there was 1 year, you put 1. If it's 2, you put 2 here. Then if they were to mention appreciation here, you can just put plus here. So for appreciation, it will be amount is equal to principal 1 plus the rate over 100 to the power n. So this one is for appreciation. When the product or asset is gaining value, it appreciates. So you put plus. Depreciating, it loses value. So losing, it means minus. So this is what you're supposed to do.